little bird spent her first night outside and couldn't have picked a worse night. A total thunderstorm. She's drenched. I thought she'd stay in the pergola. See, this is her favourite little pot plant here to come and reside on. So she spent the night in the big tall tree, thankfully, but I was hoping maybe the noise of the pergola was just too much for her. Anyway, we're just going to let her dry herself off because she's absolutely drenched, poor little thing. But she survived her first night out of the cage. So that's just wonderful. We're pretty happy about that. Now she can spend some peaceful moments preening herself. I'll catch you guys later.